The last thing we're going to look at is how we share our form. Now, there are two things to think about. First of all, if you are wanting to share your form with someone who is going to be working on the form with you, or who you want to be able to see the data and results from that form, then that person needs to be a collaborator on your form. They need to be able to look at the results, look at the questions, have edit access to that. If that is what you are trying to do when you are sharing the form, then you're going to add those people as collaborators. And to do that, you're going to go up to the three little dots, and then you're going to go down to Add Collaborators. And then you are going to choose the people that you want to add to this form. And you can just start typing in their email address, and it will come up. Then you can choose, just like we've shared other documents in Google, whether to notify them or not, and you can leave them a message about the form and why you're sharing it with them. That will give them access to actually be able to go in, see the results, see anybody that's filled out the form, see the questions, and also give them access to edit that form. But you also need to be able to send this form out to people that you want to take the form. And those people you do not need to give edit access to. You need them to be able to see the form as it is when it needs to be taken, with just the questions and no option to edit those questions. In order to do that, you are going to hit send, and you have a couple of options when you do this. First of all, you could hit send and then send them an email straight from Google Forms by typing in their email address. The subject will be the title. There will be a message that says, by default, I've invited you to fill out the form, but you could customize that message, and then you can click on Include Form in Email, and it will do that, and then you can hit Send. That is one way to do it. The other way to do it, and the way that I actually prefer, is to click on this second little tab here, which is the Link tab. Here you can get a link that you can copy, and then you can actually paste that link into an email, into a document, into a slide deck, and then the people can click on that link and open up the form, and when they open it up, it will look like this, and they can fill out and submit the form. So the two ways for them to get access to your form to fill out would be either directly emailing it from the form or copying the link. There's also options if you were going to put it into, say, a website, that you could embed that form as well. But that's not going to be used as often. So these are going to be your two main options. And the one that I recommend is copying the link in order to share the form.